Hey, what's up, Kusama holder? This is live price prediction of Kusama. You watching ABS Tech channel. Please click the subscribe button for latest update. I updating you every single hour. So guys, you can see here this is the last 1 hour. Absolutely good changes. You can see here KSM is going upwards. So you can see here in the graph results is absolutely going up. So this is a good for Kusama holder because you can see here the result. So guys, if you can check out this time the highest price of Kusama KSM coin as 549.97 US dollar. Absolutely got good price. This is absolutely gone up. So this is the good price of Kusama, you can see here, and I think they can going upward day by day. Every single day they can cross 1 or 2 US dollars. So this is absolutely good for holders of KSM. So if you want to buy it, then absolutely this is good time because they can going upward, not starting dumping this time. They can absolutely gone up. You can see here plus 2.06%. This is absolutely a good change. You can see here absolutely good change. Okay, so let's see the last one day changes. Okay, please click the subscribe button and don't forget to like. Please just complete 100 like. Okay, thank you so much. Okay, so here as you can see here, there is no dump, there is only jump. So this is absolutely gonna good. You can see the result and your eyes, you can see, check it out. This is absolutely live result, absolutely gone good. You can see here no dump. As you can see here, this is the small dump. You can see here this is a small dump, this is small dump, but not a big. But if you can see here, this is absolutely high jump. So if they are going like this, absolutely they can give you a good profit. So don't miss chance. This is absolutely good point to you just buy it. Okay, so buy token and enjoy. KSM is going up. They are absolutely good for all coin. They can beat every coin. I hope they can beat every coin. I'm also holder of KSM. What you are a holder? If you are a holder, please subscribe ABS Tech channel for latest update. I updating you every single day. So thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.